Hey guys, today I'm working on CV boot, and this is actually my second time using this product, and the reason why it's my third time is because it worked really well. It's called Techi CV boot repair kit. Picked it up from Amazon, and here's what it looks like from what I did about one oil change ago. As you can see, it did couple of repairs and it's holding up really good. You don't see any sign of grease. Really clean, and it looks like it could go for quite a long time. So I did spot one more little hole, which I'm gonna patch today. Order my kit, got it. So let's see what's involved. So this is the kit. I'm gonna open it up, and let's see what we get here. Some gloves, a couple of wipes. That's your compound B, and this is your compound A, and this is the instruction sheet. But since I've already done this a couple of times, I'm just gonna go right to it. Very important, put the gloves on. Okay, first thing we're going to do is use the wipes and get the area all cleaned up. I'm going to use both of them. Loop with a full 360 degrees of the area that you're going to repair. Remember, each repair kit allows you to do one loop. So if you got multiple holes along that one loop, then you're covered. If it's in two different locations, then you probably need to get the second kit. Let's go over the area one more time. Okay, while that thing is drying off, let's go over a couple of other pointers. You first want to lift this on the lower knuckle. So the reason why you do that, you want this joint to stay level or straight, so you're able to wrap it around. And always use a jack as extra safety support. And while that's going on, another thing you want to do is open up your compound A. It comes with the applicator stick. Tear that open. Open this up. Okay. And you want to get this on the applicator tab. And in a way, you almost want to let this dry a little bit until it kind of gets gooey and a little bit snotty. Depending on the weather condition, it may take a few minutes. This is good enough. I'm just going to apply it right in the region. Or you don't want to get it all over the place, but just in the local area. And once that's done, you're pretty much done with this. The next step is use the wrap that came with the kit, and you want to be careful with this because you don't want it to overlap in any way, because they will bond to each other. So get it going. So I'm basically gonna locate it, hold it down, peel the rest away, and it's very important that you stretch this as you're wrapping it around. Stretch it very tight until it starts taking the shape of the curvature itself. Comes the other side. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Okay, good. That looks pretty good. You know you got a good stretch when it fully covers up the hole, including the full 360-degree sweep of that CD boot. Once that's done, here's your compound B. Crack it open. And for this one, it seems to work really well. Get it on your hand. And you're basically going to put a thin casing around it. You want to be careful that you're not putting this, connecting it to the other ribbing. Just make sure you focus on the ribbing that you're working on. Go the full 360 degrees. And make sure it goes on evenly and thin. And in fact, you might want to use your pinky too. It's gonna do a better job getting underneath it. And that's it.